Let's take one example on even and odd components. Sketch even and odd components of the signal shown below. This is the given signal x of t. We supposed to draw the even component of this signal x of t and odd component of this signal x of t. Let's try to draw the even component of this signal. We know that even component of the signal is represented by the formula xc of t is equal to x of t plus x of minus t divided by 2. That is half of x of t plus x of minus t. So already here we have x of t. Now we supposed to draw x of minus t. X of minus t is derived from x of t by time reversing. Time reversing means if we take mirror image of this waveform, we will get x of minus t. Mirror image means the part which is exist, that is this part of the signal will be represented on left side and this part of the signal will be represented on right side. So that we'll get x of minus t. I'll draw here. Two and minus 3. So now we have 0 to 3. This signal will be represented from 0 to minus 3 on this side and the amplitude is same, that is 2. So let this be 1, let this be 2. And here we have square like signal from 0 to minus 3. The same thing will appear on right hand side. The amplitude is minus 2. Somewhere here I'll take it as minus 1. So this is x of minus t. X of minus t. Now let's add x of t signal with x of minus t. So here I can draw it as so let this be x of t plus x of minus t. Let this be amplitude 1, this be amplitude 2. Here let this be minus 1, this is minus 2. Here we have 1, 2, 3. This side we will mention minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Now we'll try to add x of minus t with x of t. So here we can observe at t equal to minus 3, the amplitude of the signal is minus 2, and here at t equal to minus 3, the amplitude of the signal is 2. So when we add 2 with minus 2, the value will be 0. Therefore, at t equal to minus 3, the signal will be 0. That is, this point is 0. This is the point which is 0. Now, at t equal to 0, the amplitude of this signal is 0, and here at t equal to 0, the value is minus 2. So when we add minus 2 with 0, we will get minus 2. So here the point is at 0, the amplitude value is minus 2. Now we supposed to add this point with this point. I'll add these 2 points. So this is the resultant waveform when we add this part with this part. Now we'll take right hand side. Now here we can observe at t equal to 0, the value is 0 itself, and here at t equal to 0 the amplitude of the signal is -2. So when we add 0 with -2 we'll get -2. So this is the point here. Now at t equal to 3, that is at +3, the amplitude of the signal is 2, and here at t equal to 3 the amplitude of the signal is -2. So when we add 2 with -2 the resultant will be 0. That is at t equal to 3 the value is 0. This is the point of. Now we supposed to add this point with this point. So this is the resultant waveform when we add this part with this part. So now this entire waveform is x of t plus x of minus t. So now we found x of t plus x of minus t. Now we supposed to divide it by 2. So dividing it by 2 is nothing but dividing the amplitude of the signal by 2. So here the signal highest amplitude of the signal is -2. When we divide it by 2 it will become -1. So now the same signal will appear but the amplitude of the signal will be -1. I'll draw the signal here, that is xc of t, and here the amplitude is -2. When you divide -2 by 2 it will be -1. So now the same signal will appear here but the amplitude of the signal is reduced, that is -1. So here this signal and this signal are same, only the amplitude is decreased from -2 to -1. So this is xc of t. So now we know that odd component of x of t is represented as xo of t is equal to half x of t minus x of minus t. So here already we have x of t signal and here we have x of minus t signal. Now we supposed to subtract this x of minus t from x of t. So now let this be x of t minus x of minus t signal. So now we supposed to subtract x of minus t signal from x of t. Here we can observe at t equal to -3 the amplitude of the signal is -2, and here at t equal to -3 the amplitude of the signal is 2, that is -2 minus 2, that is -4. So at t equal to -3 the amplitude of the signal should be -4, that is this is -1 point, this is -2, let this be -3 and let this be -4. So at t equal to -3 this is the point, that is -4. So I will join these two, this is -4. Now here we can observe at t equal to 0 the amplitude of x of t is -2, and here at t equal to 0 the amplitude of this signal is 0, that is -2 minus 0, that is -2. So at t equal to 0 the amplitude of the signal is -2, that is this point. So now we supposed to add these 2 points. From here to here I will join it. So now here we observe at t equal to 0 the amplitude of this signal is 0. At t equal to 0 amplitude of this signal is -2. So we supposed to perform 0 minus of -2, which is nothing but 2. So at t equal to 0 the amplitude of the signal is 2, that is this point. I'll point here, this is 2. Now at t equal to 3 the amplitude of the signal is 2. Now here at t equal to 3 amplitude of the signal is -2, that is 2 minus of -2, which is equal to 4. So at t equal to 3, amplitude of the signal is 4. That is, at t equal to 3, amplitude of the signal is 4. That is 1, 2, here somewhere is 3 and this is 4, and here I'll mark this is 4 at t equal to 3. So now I'll join these 2 points, and here to here I will join. Now this is x of t minus x of minus t. Now we are supposed to divide it by 2 to get xo of t. So here dividing by 2 is nothing but dividing the amplitude by 2. That is, this part will appear at t at 2, and this point will appear at 1, and here which exists at minus 2, dividing by 2 it will appear at minus 1, and this part will appear which is at minus 4 will appear at minus 2. I will draw this waveform here. So here it will half of this which was at minus 4, now it will be amplitude will be minus 2, and we supposed to join it at minus 1, and here we have at 2 which is appears at t equal at 1, and at 3 its magnitude was 4, it will appear at 2. So this is xo of t signal, that is this part and this part. So this is how we supposed to draw even and odd components of the signal for the given x of t. Thank you for watching.